Supply chains are automating fast. Driverless trucks, humanoid pickers. But when something goes wrong, a person stepping into a robot zone, an actuator about to fail, the warning signs are scattered across disconnected systems, and the operator finds out too late. So, I built SupplyChainOS on Palantir Foundry. One ontology, 20 typed objects, live. Its user is the network operations lead. In this demo, that's me running Maison Ben Simon's autonomous network. The operator's day starts as one rank queue. Every open decision across operations, commercial, and safety sorted by the dollars at stake. 17 million across the network. Each row traces back to the data it came from. Sensor, a model, an order. The agent breathes the shift. 9 risks, the top one named. And the network is a living map. Autonomous trucks running on real freight lanes. Every seat clickable, plus an assistant you can just ask in plain language. For the top risk, a worker inside the Auckland Autonomous Zone, flagged by a real YOLO detector. AIP logic recommends the recovery. Pause the site robots. Every number is seeded from the ontology. The $250,000 is read straight from the live data. The robot's digital twin and its linked objects are one click away. The system approves it and watch the whole ontology react. $250,000 saved. Robots paused. The floor inside the DC halts. Capacity drops to 0. The autonomy dial decides what runs alone versus what asks me first. Planning retimes the next 48 hours. And the commercial tower prices the same network in pallets, which grounded ways to close the quarters gap. Every recommendation is scored by evils, 100% grounded, 0 hallucinations, and my accepts and overrides retrain the policy. Every model on screen is real, and this front end runs live. It reads the real Foundry tenant over the ontology SDK, and every decision lands in an auditable trace. Everything lives in one governed Foundry project. Data assets, pipelines, logic, actions, evils, each in its place, with the OSDK app right beside them. Under the hood, 3 design decisions. 1. Everything starts in the ontology. Pipeline Builder lands every dataset as typed objects, a derive, a join, an aggregation, so every module reads one row. 20 object types linked into one graph. The semantic layer every module writes from and writes back to. 2. The AI does judgment, not display. The recommendation you watch is this AIP logic function, cloud reasoning over the object, grounded with Gemini for fast triage. Perception included, the safety detector is a containerized compute module I deployed. One run, 14 people, 4 in zone, the real model. 3. Ship where the user is. The same loop runs natively in Workshop, 0 code. The same ontology answers in plain language through an AIP agent. 3 tools, every answer grounded. Governed by evils, automated by monitors, and exposed to my React frontend through a generated SDK. One ontology, end-to-end. The impact I'm building for. Safety incidents prevented before they happen. Delivery commitments protected, and a $250,000 call made in one click. Detect, recommend, act, learn. Thanks for watching.